Welcome to my channel, where I share practical tips and strategies to help you make money from home. In this video, I'm going to reveal 7 proven ways to make money fast, without falling for scams or get-rich-quick schemes. Whether you're a student, stay-at-home parent, or just looking to earn some extra cash, these methods are for you. So, sit back, relax, and get ready to learn how to make money fast in 2023. Method 1. You good at taking surveys and sharing your opinions? Then, you can earn money by signing up for online survey sites like Swagbucks or Survey Junkie. These sites pay you for each survey you complete, and some even offer bonuses and cashback options. You won't get rich overnight, but you can make a decent amount of money in your spare time. Method 2. If you have a skill or talent that you can offer to others, freelancing might be the way to go. Sites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer.com allow you to create a profile and offer your services to clients worldwide. Whether you're a graphic designer, writer, or social media expert, there's always someone looking for your help. Just make sure to set your rates competitively and deliver quality work to build your reputation and get repeat clients. Method 3. Another way to make money fast is by teaching others online. Platforms like VIPKid, Teachable, and Udemy let you create and sell your own courses on various topics, from language learning to business skills. You don't have to be a certified teacher or expert, but you should have a strong knowledge of your topic and the ability to explain it clearly. You can earn passive income from course sales, or offer live tutoring sessions for an hourly rate. Method 4. Have you ever heard of affiliate marketing? It's a popular way to make money online by promoting other people's products and earning a commission for each sale. You can join affiliate networks like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or ShareASale, and choose from thousands of products to promote on your website or social media. The key is to find products that align with your audience's interests and needs, and create valuable content that convinces them to click and buy. Method 5. If you have a creative side and enjoy making things by hand, you can turn your hobby into a profitable business by selling your crafts online. Sites like Etsy, Handmade by Amazon, and Redbubble allow you to showcase and sell your handmade or personalized items to a global audience. You can also offer custom orders or accept wholesale requests to scale your business. Method 6. Have you ever thought of becoming a virtual assistant? It's a flexible and in-demand job that involves helping businesses or individuals with administrative tasks, such as email management, scheduling, research, or social media management. You can find virtual assistant jobs on platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, or Remote.co, or start your own VA business and pitch your services to clients directly. Method 7. Last but not least, you can make money fast by renting out your spare room, car, or parking space. Sites like Airbnb, Turo, or Spot Hero allow you to list your property or vehicle and earn money from bookings or rentals. You can also offer additional services like breakfast, airport transfers, or car detailing to attract more guests. By utilizing these 7 methods, you can start earning money quickly and easily from the comfort of your own home. Choose the methods that best fit your skills and interests, and start making money today. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more tips and strategies on achieving financial success. Subscribe for money. Subscribe for money. Subscribe for money, man.